Today we're making a drink. Going a little off the rails, so you know we're towards the end of the filming. But it's not
What the Dickens?
Yes.
Whatever he was gonna say, it's gone.
No, I'm short and sweet. That's all I had.
Welcome to Cognac Cocktails. Danny and Derrick can make for you a cocktail, because that's why it's called Cognac and it has more cocktail in it.
What the Dickens?
That's right, we're making What the Dickens. This is a cognac and rum cocktail submitted by Jon Spikes from Ben Anderson.
What the Dickens?
What the Dickens, that's the name of the cocktail. It's got
Classic
1 ounce of
cognac
rum.
and combo.
It's got half ounce cognac.
Good
It's
thing, 'cause we only got a
got
little thing of it.
I know.
half ounce of fresh lime juice. It's got 1.5 ounces of pineapple juice. 3/4 of, why is it so small? 3/4 of an ounce of simple syrup. 3 dashes of Peychaud. 1 Ongo bitter.
I don't think it's
Good.
small. I think your eyes are going.
Yeah, it definitely isn't small. It's the same size it always is.
No, the 3/4.
Oh,
It's
yeah,
hard
the
to see the
3/4
three.
is small.
I didn't know if it was 1/2, 2/4, or whatever. 2/4 is 1/2.
2 quarters. Yeah, 2 quarters. 2 quarters.
This has got 2 whole quarters. Also known as
You
a
fucking
pie.
figure it out.
It's a half a pie. It's 3.14.
Can I have 2/4 of that pie, please?
You figure that shit out.
I can't explain myself sometimes. You're going to shake it with ice, put it in a highball glass, and you're going to drink it in your face.
I think this is going to be too sweet for Jen.
It's
Jen's
got
kind of
pineapple
picky
juice.
But
tonight.
Dan's
It's
going to
got
like it.
syrup.
Yeah.
It's got lime juice. It could be sweet.
Why? But
You know what would be a
they
twist?
say it's a cognac cocktail.
It's too sweet for
It's
Dan.
got half the
and Jen
cognac than
likes it.
anything else.
Yeah, you think the cognac would be
The first thing?
Yes.
Yeah, but what they wanted to do is they wanted to make a rum cocktail, but they wanted to have cognac. So they can call it a cognac cocktail, so you gotta have some of it.
Yeah, I mean that's.
And it is sus.
They did that, and then you're like, what the Dickens? There's not enough cognac in here.
And then they're like, we're going to name it that.
Yeah, they're like, God damn it.
I don't know where these names come from. It's
Maybe Charles Dickens really liked cognac.
Oh, could be.
okay. And he would take this drink and go like, why the fuck is it all rum?
He'd be
Yeah.
like, what the me?
Well, maybe like a good friend of his really likes cognac.
Yeah, all right. I mean, we could do that too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then he's like, what the Dickens?
It's like, oh, you didn't
It's not great
add
for my
enough.
joke, but yeah.
Are you going to add ice to this one?
Fuck no.
Because it says straight.
Where's the big long thing of ice?
Yeah,
that
I want an ice
Yeah.
spear.
You got one?
No?
we could charge an extra freaking $4.
I
like
found
ice
one, but I broke it 4 times.
Fair enough. I'll accept that.
All right.
Oops.
At least it's ice.
Sorry, buddy. I mean to break your ice
Dickens?
spear.
Look at that.
It's red.
Yeah, it's a cool color, too.
Oh, from the Ongo?
From the Igo, yeah.
Well, no.
Oh, is there Peychaud's in
Oh,
it
and
too?
Peychaud's.
Yeah.
It shows.
Peychaud's.
Peychaud. And it's not
A
going
lot
to
of
fit on my
pineapple.
camera.
So,
These last couple.
I can't really tell from here.
Oh,
Tiki roll.
Lots of pineapple.
it's going to fit, but it looks
Swing your drinks.
over white out, washed out. Why is it washed out, Jennifer?
Did you not set the ISOs? I thought you said everything.
I did now.
Did you not set
Don't you love when the
ISOs?
producer and the director are just butting heads during the show?
Did you not set the ISOs?
ISO was not correct. I brought the ISO down because I got to keep the frame rate high
Damn it.
to get the
You
color
also
right.
brought down an egg, and you brought some other stuff down too. So
I
you've
did.
been busy.
All right, I'll drink it.
I am rocking
Lots
the
of
business.
talking.
Listen, here, bro.
Julius is not going to like this because it has black licorice in it.
Oh, you're not gonna taste it in this drink. This drink is straight up
You
in your
always
hole with
taste it.
all of the pineapples. Oh no!
It's a little like the last drink
How will you know already?
It is.
in the
Because he
profile.
drank the
swill.
dregs.
What the Dickens?
What the?
It doesn't have
What
any
the
coconut.
Dickens is
No,
this?
no coconut.
It's drier than the coconut one. It's not too sweet, is it?
No.
It tastes bitter.
Jen don't think so.
You're gonna taste the pineapple.
Hold on. What the Dickens?
What the Dickens?
Try this.
It's
Now,
refreshing.
It's too sweet.
You know what? Like the Peychaud's actually.
It doesn't.
Angostura definitely doesn't come through
I
at
guess
all.
the flavor is very Christmassy, so you could say it's very
No, it's not
Dickensian.
as sweet as the last one.
So maybe that's where the what the Dickens comes from, because of the
Oh, you
Christmassy.
don't taste the...
Christmassy from the
Yeah,
Anglo.
you don't like.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
I like this.
Yeah.
Hmm.
That the Dickens.
I don't think it's a
That's
Christmas
just-
cocktail though. It's got pineapple juice.
Yes. What about it?
You get like the
Christmas.
pineapple.
But it's got the angle. You get a little bit of cloviness.
I don't think we
I
get
don't
any of the
really get a lot of
cognac.
happiness.
No, I don't really get any of the.
Oh, I got a little bit.
No, I'm gonna
Maybe I
go
drank all
Leon.
the-
What the
no,
Dickens?
No,
That's the thing. We all taste something different.
The end's a little bitter, but not too
you,
bad.
you want to know what though? I think
It's
this,
better than the last one.
What really? What was the last one?
Yeah, that's not as sweet as the
The-
last one.
Oh,
The banana.
Banana hammock.
Yeah, the
Banana
banana.
hammock.
The what? The hammock?
the Tiki Slammer or the Summer
Oh,
Slammer?
Hawaiian
or
Slammer.
Hawaiian Slammer.
Oh, it had a name. I didn't even know
Wait,
that.
why is that Hawaiian? That doesn't make any
It's
sense.
got pineapple.
Okay,
Think of what where Dole comes from.
I guess, but Hawaiian Slammer, I think Hawaiian Punch, and I think Kool-Aid.
You know what's in Hawaiian Punch?
Which makes me think
Pineapple.
hurricanes.
Pineapple.
Yeah.
Pineapple.
Hawaiian
Coconuts.
Punch.
Wow.
They got
Hawaiian
coconuts.
Punch.
They have bananas in Hawaii, right? Right. They have bananas.
Yes.
Getting spicy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to Hawaii?
No.
Well, I have, and they have bananas there.
They have lots of Dole.
They do have lots of Dole, and guess what we use?
Like
Do they
Bob
have
Dole?
Bob?
No,
No, like pineapple Dole.
this
Oh, is that what
probably
you meant?
gives it
That's what I
like
meant.
more flavor too.
It's good. I mean,
This should give it color because there's an ounce of it, but this has
you don't
good
get much
flavor.
when you get any of the cognac, or I don't.
Nah, I don't think you get cognac because I'm not a huge fan of cognac. Let me try it.
What the Dickens? Why do you even put that in there?
Oh, Jesus Christ!
What is it bad?
No, it's just strong. I forgot about that.
Is it really?
Well, it's pure alcohol. Well, I guess it's not pure alcohol. It's cut with distilled water, but like compared to this, it was not what I don't know what I was expecting it to be, but
Yeah, it's not that bad.
it hit my senses pretty hard. But now,
Because it's a lot sweeter.
yeah, no,
Dinner.
no
No food for you.
Sandwiches, but
sandwiches.
He's like, I should have
It's
stayed
like
at
a
work.
betrayal and disappointment. Right
Yeah.
there.
I gotta make my own. Oh my gosh!
I'm gonna make my
Someday you'll be a real man, and you'll have to do that every day.
I don't know. I think it's pretty good, but I don't taste that in there. My belly's warm now.
I definitely don't. I mean, this is sweet, though. This is actually.
Yes, if you want to call that sweet, I call it kick in the face sweet.
No, I don't think it's that
You
bad.
say kick in the face sweet?
Yeah,
No, it's not.
So that's still sweet,
The
right?
last one was way sweeter.
this,
Oh.
This.
this.
But I thought you just said it was super strong.
It is. Try it.
I thought you were
Jeez.
gonna hit my.
There's a lot of.
We'll just buy you a new one.
You guys need a vacation.
It's
scaring me.
cognac is pretty strong.
No.
See, look at her face. That right there.
Weirdness.
Here.
It's not that bad. Oh, Jesus.
How do all three of that miss that?
I don't know. Well, I was ready to catch it until it hit the ceiling.
Yeah, do it again. But don't hit the ceiling.
There you go.
There we go.
I caught it.
Jump cut back to that one.
All right.
Oh yeah.
Hold on, let me do it again.
He likes cognac now. Big cognac guy.
It's weird, flowery at the end.
A little flowery. You don't taste the cognac in here. You taste this. This
Yeah.
is the stuff. That's what you
It's
get.
not bad. This is sweet.
Thank you, Michael, for being our Patreon.com
No, like
slash
I mean,
CNC
sweet for,
executive
like-
producer.
for an alcohol, you know, for
Yeah.
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 Ah,
This may have gone off the tracks a little bit, but it was a good drink.
it was a good drink.
We always go off the tracks. That's part of our charm.
Oh, so we're calling it?
It's a good drink. It's a good summertime drink.
Yeah.
What the Dickens?
What the Dickens? I personally,
And, I mean, even if you don't like it, just saying it. Hey, what the Dickens?
I would, if
We're gonna be so sick of that phrase after this.
it were me, I would come up with a better name
See,
than
that's
that.
that's a good pool drink.
Yeah, but I don't like
Right
the
down by
name.
the pool.
Okay, pull drink.
And you can yell like your waitress without being.
You know what? You probably don't even have to put cognac.
What the
in it.
Dickens?
No.
Over here.
Over here.
Yeah.
Over. That's a good one. I'll be fucking saying that till Tuesday.
We're gonna come up with a drink that you can
Jesus.
like
Tuesday?
say that sounds like it's an insult, but it's really an order.
Yeah.
Fucking bastard!
And you have to do this.
Yeah, you.
So, thank you, Michael, for being a
That's
Patreon
considered rude.
supporter. You can click the join button as well. Michael is the elite group of very few people who want to
We like
that feel
Michael.
like that they should give back to the entertainment and show format that we have here.
Because there's value added here.
Right, and what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to make people feel
The
bad.
Dickens.
So they just click the button or something and to help
Just
out.
click it.
It's a nice thing to do.
It just hurts my feelings. Yeah.
Because you're doing so much
Yeah.
and nobody seems to appreciate it.
Exactly.
I understand.
See? People know. People, you feel me. Speaking, if that's not good enough, you want to get something out of it, you can use Spring 2022. Save 20% off at awesometrace.com. Go get yourself some of these Chicago
You gotta
eyeballs.
get yourself something good.
Yeah, maybe that cool. That it actually
These are
sold
cool.
pretty well. The
Gunmetal?
the gunmetal shaker.
It's held up too.
Yeah, I mean the problem is it's expensive, but people still buy it. But I guess you really only need you have your one shaker. Maybe you have a couple other ones. I have thousands, but for spare. But having a cool piece of hardware that you can use to make cocktails, people like it.
Yeah.
So you can buy it, save some money. That's it. Sidebar. There's some extra videos over there for your watching entertainment, and down below is our starter kit. So if you want to get making cocktails, all the stuff is in that kit that you're gonna need. That's it. Teaching you how to drink.
Every day.